我在学中文。学 learn, study 中文 Chinese language. 在 is a rather important word. It's so commonly used in our everyday expressions. It indicates time or space. Today, we are talking about the time, present tense. Two usages. First, the action is happening. 在 plus action. For example, 我在看电视 I'm watching TV now. 她在喝可乐 She's drinking Coke. Second, in process of something. For example, 我在学中文 I'm learning Chinese. I may start to learn the Chinese 2 weeks ago or yesterday. The action is still going on. So I will say 我在学中文。她在学开车。She's learning driving. She's still learning driving now. Haven't finished yet. So please try to make some simple sentences on your own. 你在做什么